Good morning everyone. My name is Suci Zaharani from Bina Sarana Informatika University. There are two topics that I will discuss. The first topic is my opinion about smoking in campus area, and the second topic discusses of review material about simple present. The following is my opinion regarding students who smoke on campus. As we know, smoking in campus area is prohibited. Usually, students who smoke on campus find it fun to the taste and make what they do anxious to reflect fathers or stars. Actually, smoking is a choice. You have the right to choose what you do. If you think smoking is the most appropriate way to relieve fatigue, then do it and don't regret it if in the future the impact of smoking causes your health to get worse. By the way, I have a video clip about how dangerous smoking is for your health. So, like the warning I saw in the campus parking lot decide how long can we live. Happily, this sentence can be a warning for you to immediately start living a healthy life without cigarette smoke. Apart from violating campus regulation and endangering health, cigarette smoke also has a negative impact on those who inhale it. Because students who inhale cigarette smoke can become passive smokers. This can even reduce the integrity and dignity of the university itself. Cigarettes selling sold no cigarettes in area around campus to avoid student smoking in campus area. So I hope you can think into it about whether what you are doing can harm other people or not. Maybe that's the only opinion and suggestion I can convey. Let's laugh happily from today on the worst. Next, I will explain the simple present material. Made by me, Suci Zaharani from class 63, 1B, 31. What is simple present? Simple present tense is a form of verb or sentence in English that is used to express events, habits, or facts that are currently happening. Why should we master simple present? Because the simple present tense, which is frequently used in daily life, is the most fundamental and crucial tense for those of you who wish to become fluent in English. Simple present used for 1. General truth. To state a fact or truth that is recognized by everyone. Example, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. There are 12 months in a year. Borobudur template is in Indonesia. 2. Habitual action. To describe an action, activity, or routine that is carried out frequently in daily life. Example, I always go to office at 6 a.m. every morning. Suci often gets dinner lately. 3. things that don't or won't change. Example, I like noodles. I am interested in football. She wears glasses. 4. Describing yourself. Example, I come from Indonesia. I like to eat sweet foods and dessert to improve my mood. 5. Talking about things that are planned for the future. Example, he starts the job training today. We go to Bali tomorrow. The party starts soon. The second train arrives this night at 7. Simple present have two adverbs. 1. Adverbs of time. Every day, every week, every month, every year, every night, every morning. Example, we go shopping every day. My family go to the zoo every week. 2. Using frequency adverbs. Always, 100%, usually, 99 to 90%, often, 90 to 75%, sometimes 75 to 25%, seldom 25 to 10%, rarely 10 to 1%, never 0%. Example, I often vegetarian food. He never drink milk. These words are used to indicate the frequency with which an action occurs. Okay, next, formula simple present. Positive. Subject plus verb 1, es plus object. Subject in English, I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Note, for third person singular, she, he, it, use the basic verb with an extra s at the end of the word. Example, you play gadget. She plays gadget. Present simple spelling rules. Apart from that, third person singular verb she, he, it also have other rules. If the verb end is ss, sh, ch, x, o, then es is added. For example, miss become misses, watch become washes, watch become watches, fix become fixes, go become goes. Example of sentences: Mr. Naufal misses his mother. She watches clothes. He watches Harry Potter. She fixes the window. My uncle goes to garden. Okay, next. A consonant plus y. If the verbs end in y, then the ending is changed to AES. For example, fly become flyers, fry become fryers, study become studies, cry become criers. Example of sentences: the bird flies on the sky. He tries to know about it. She studies English every day. The baby cries every night. Next, a vowel plus y. If a verb ends in y before it has a vowel a, I, u, I, o, then the aes is not replaced, but s is added. For example, plies become plies, pry become prize. Example of sentences: he plays football. She plays 5 times a day. Next, question word. What is question word? The word question word is used to pose a query including who, what, why, where, when, and how. When someone wants information, they utilize question words. In other words, you must provide a clear response rather than a simple yes or no response. Next, Question word is what. What to ask for something, object, or idea. Example, what are you doing? I'm doing my homework. 2. When. When to ask for the time. Example, when do you visit your parents? I go to visit tomorrow. 3. Where. Where to ask for a place. Example, where is your hometown? Yogyakarta is my hometown. Next, who. Who to ask for person. Example, who is your teacher? My teacher is Mr. Diana. Why. Why to ask for reason. Example, why do you love me? Because you are very sweet. Let's how. When to ask for condition and manner. Example, how are you? I'm very good, thanks. Next, formula simple present. Negative. Subject plus do not or does not plus verb 1 plus object. Do not is don't. Does not is doesn't. Remember it? Subject I, you, we, they use don't. She, he, it use doesn't. And at the end of the verb, s, es, aes are not added or replaced. Example, she doesn't love me. He doesn't watch TV. I don't like tea. I don't want ice cream. Next, formula simple present interrogative positive. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object, or who, what, when, why, where, how plus do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. As for the question form, the simple present tense adds do before the subject and verb. Meanwhile, the third person singular uses the word does before the subject and verb, not do. Put the words what, when, and so forth at the start of the parts of before do or does in question that contain them. Example, do you know him? Do you know him? Does he eat breakfast every day? What do you want? What do you want? Remember it? Subject I, you, we, they as do. She, he, it as does. Formula simple present interrogative negative. Negative interrogative are sentences that are asked but are not sure about the answer or question. Formula is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Example, she does not like chocolate. You don't believe me? You don't believe me? Remember it? Subject I, you, we, they use do. She, he, it use does. Next, simple present tense sentence example. Here are some instances of present tense sentences that are interrogative, negative, and positive. 1. Positive. Rini played the guitar. Negative. Rini doesn't play the guitar. Interrogative. Does Rini play the guitar? 2. Positive. She watches TV in the evening. Negative. She doesn't watch TV in the evening. Interrogative. Does she watch TV in the evening? 3. Positive. My cat is always hungry. Negative. My cat is not always hungry. Interrogative. Is your cat always hungry? 4. Positive. You speak English. Negative. You don't speak English. Interrogative. Do you speak English? Answer this question correctly. 1. See blah 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 to school every day. 2. See blah 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 a book every month. 3. I blah 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 to music in my free time. 4. Novel and reread sometimes blah 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 to the neighbor cinema to watch their favorite movie. Next, before I close, I have a question that I will read. Dream it as high as the skies, because if you are feel, you're gonna feel among of the stars. E.R. Sukarno. Okay, that's the explanation of the simple present material 10 I can convey. Do you have any question? If you have any question, please write in the comments. Bye bye. Good morning everyone. Thank you so much.